Hello friends, this is Dave with Ascend, and I am excited to tell you about today's trick. Again, you might know this, Microsoft obviously knows this, but I never knew this. I'm literally telling my 17-year-old son about how I wished there was a feature on Windows units. And he comes back 2 days later and he's like, Dad, check this out. So what I always wanted is I have 3 screens in my office. Right now you're just seeing one. And I use it and I toggle back and forth and keep turning my head. But my center screen that you're actually looking at right now is a 42-inch, and I have another one that's actually larger than that. So why I'm telling you all this is there's many times where I wish I could just put a window inside of here, and then let's say I'm doing some banking and have an Excel screen open in here, but whenever you click on one, the other one overlaps it. It's a big pain. If you want to have 4 open, it's just, I wished there was a solution, and there actually is. So if you want to keep windows from toggling back and forth and covering each other up, you grab the top bar, so you just left click with your mouse and hold somewhere. Then you come and you bump the top, and see how that screen, that white just came? Well, then you move it to the side and you'll notice, see that screen shrink? Boom, that's a quarter panel now. Now you can go ahead and you can open up the tabs you need to work in. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. But now I can actually work live in this Excel sheet. But you're noticing this one's still not playing nice. Well, do the same thing. Grab it, move it to the left. Now I have a half page that I can scroll through. Or let's say I want to do 4. Grab it, move it to the left. Move it up. Oh, sorry, I'm still getting used to this myself. Move it up, move it to the left, and you can get it in there. I'm just not, my mouse is actually hitting my keyboard. Sorry. So let me try this again. Grab it, bump it up, move it to the side, and there you go. And like anything else in life, it takes a little practice. You get good at what you practice, right? So you can do this with 2 more windows and utilize one massive screen and get a lot more done. So this is Dave Pasqualone with DavePasqualone.com, Ascend to Glory. I hope this helps you be more productive, and enjoy.